Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitles on CapCut.com. So all you need to do, just go and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. That will not take you into this page if it's your first time. It will take you to another page where you can actually download it on your PC. If you are interested in that, you will find a video on this channel on how to download it or install it on your PC. So just go check it out if you are interested. And the left option, which is going to be using it on browser, if you click on it, you will need to log in into your account. And if you don't have an account, you will need to create one. You can even create your account with the Gmail or Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually created your account and log in into it, or you just log in into your account, just go and hit this black canvas. Of course, you can open any of your recent projects if you want, and you'll need to wait a bit until it loads. Of course, if you have it on your PC, you'll not need to wait any loading, and it will be much smoother and you will have the full features if you have downloaded on your PC, of course. So just go check the video how to download it if you want. So of course, once you are here, I'm just going to upload for me a small video so I can show you how to add subtitles. So of course, here I'm just going to drag it into here, which is the editing area, and from here I would like to go in this video. As you can see, when I click on it, I can start editing on it. For me, I'm just going now to click at the text option right here at the left, and from now I would like to click at this auto caption. So as you can see here, we have several captions. We can add a caption, we can recognize the lyrics if you have like a music, or we can recognize your voice. Of course, you can just like choose the language from here. Those are just the languages available for now, or working for now. Of course, for me, I'm just going to choose as an example American English and click as create. You will need to wait a bit until it's created, and as you can see, that was actually I actually said in the video, which is hello, how are you doing? So of course you can put it wherever you want on the video, maybe in the last of the video, maybe in the beginning. It's actually let me just hit the Control Z, and it was actually here and the video. Wait, yeah, of course, let me just create another one. So you for you wouldn't like to touch it, because of course if you didn't touch it, the caption will be at the same time when you say the thing. So of course, here I start talking, here the caption was there. So that will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching it. Goodbye.